Hey guys, this is Jordan and Jeff from BestPriceNutrition.com. Today we're going to be reviewing Killer Labz First Degree Pre-Workout. This is a ultra high stim DMHA powered, which a lot of people like, pre-workout.
Yep.
And it's available in Revolver Raz.
And then we got Machete Melon.
Oh, right. Some
Interesting name.
Yeah.
But it fits the theme of the brand.
Yes. And the bottle, you know, we just covered a product that had a pretty cool bottle. These are actually pretty cool.
Yeah, they actually are.
Is that
I love the
machete
design.
on it? Or what's yours?
Got a little-
Oh, it's got it right here.
Ooh.
It doesn't look like a machete. It looks like a knife. But this one's got the revolver.
And
So every
okay.
flavor has a different picture,
Yep.
which is kind of cool.
That is cool.
These supplement companies are coming out with really cool bottles lately. So guys, we wanted to go through the ingredients for this product.
Yep.
I think it's going to be a very big hit because of the DMHA.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, we're going to tell you right now it's 200 milligrams, which is a very high dose.
It is, yeah.
So we're going to break these down. Now this is a 1 serving, 2 serving. Yeah, they break it down by 2 serving. Okay, we're going to talk about 2 servings because everybody's going to take 2 servings.
Absolutely.
So here we go. All right, so we got citrulline malate, 8,000 milligrams. Citrulline's, that's a heavy dose.
Yep.
We all love citrulline for those muscle pumps that you get at the gym. You really can't find a pre-workout without it, but this actually gives you a nice heavy dose. It also has beta-alanine, 3.2 grams. This is the villain to John that does videos with us. He hates beta-alanine, but this is what gives you tingles.
Yep.
It also is the ingredient that can help you buffer lactic acid, help you bust out a couple more reps and sets during your exercise. 2,000 milligrams of taurine, which is actually a pretty heavy dose.
That is.
And that improves hydration, electrolyte balance, reduces muscle cramps, which can happen during your workouts as well. What's next?
All right, so we got agmatine sulfate at 1,000 milligrams, which is a very good clinical dose. Again, that improves nitric oxide levels. It's another pump enhancer, so better blood flow, better muscle tightness. We have L-tyrosine at 500 milligrams, which is a nootropic, enhances cognitive function, mental clarity, and focus. Choline by Chartrate, 500 milligrams, another nootropic, cognitive function, again, mental clarity, all that good stuff. And then we have B-phenylethylamine HCl, 300 milligrams. Another nootropic, so cognitive function, mental clarity, focus. A lot of mood enhancement in here.
Which is good. Next we got, of course, what everybody wants to know is the caffeine anhydrous. Give me a 300 milligrams, so that's a good, nice dose of the caffeine, especially along with, you know, the Eria Jarensis. You get 250 milligrams of that, and that's really great for mood as well as energy. It really increases those dopamine levels. And then everybody's favorite, Julian's? Julian's? Okay, which is DMHA.
Yeah.
And that's what everybody loves. You're getting 200 milligrams here, guys, so that's going to increase energy. That's going to really push on focus for you guys. So if you've never taken DMHA, you're going to love the amount of DMHA that's in this product.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, juniper berry extract. This one acts as a diuretic and anti-inflammatory, so it's always good to have, you know, anything that helps with inflammation during your workouts.
All right. Next, one of our favorites, pink Himalayan salt.
Yes.
Jeff likes to put salt in his pre-workout, and I have as well too. It's fantastic, and I see a lot more companies start doing that now with their new formulas, is adding pink, you know, Himalayan pink salt.
I think they were worried before about saying salt was added to their workouts, and now people are kind of more open to it. So
you know, salt at one point was looked at as like, oh my god, you can't have salt, it's the enemy, but it turns out it's actually really good for you. It's a great electrolyte. It helps with your energy levels. It helps with blood flow. I mean, it's a natural product that's good for you. It's not bad for you. Infinergy, which is dicaffeinate, which is actually a sustained release caffeine. So provides you a source of energy that is longer lasting. So it actually can help with post-workout crash, keep you energized longer. We have Theobromine at 50 milligrams, which is a mild stimulant and is a vasodilator, so that actually will give you energy and improve your blood flow as well.
What we got next? We got the Huperzine at 10 milligrams, which that's great for focus, cognitive function, and just overall keeping you mind, muscle during your workouts. Black pepper extract. There's usually a few ingredients in each pre-workout that help the absorption levels of all the compounds. So it's always good to have something like that. This is where the black pepper extract comes in. And the Wolfia extract, not one of my faves, but this provides the stimulant effects, enhances energy, focus. Sometimes if you take too much, it gives you those thing down the back of your neck. This is only 2 milligrams. I mean, how much have you taken again? We talked about before.
Oh man, the most I've ever taken. So I mean, that's alpha-yohimbane, I think is another name for it. I mean, the most I've ever taken of that is up to, I think, 15 milligrams.
Yeah, that's just nuts.
Personally, that's way more than the recommended dose, and I had the most insane tunnel vision ever. And
it can help a little bit.
I literally probably dropped 5 pounds of water weight. I had a panic attack the entire time.
You sweat more on it.
You do sweat a lot more, because it is a diuretic. It's a diuretic, it's a vasodilator, so it is forcing water out of your body.
Okay. All right, guys, so out of that long list, what you should know, it's got 8,000 milligrams of citrulline malate, it's got the 200 milligrams of DMHA, and actually 400 milligrams total of caffeine. So a lot of other stuff, so it's a strong one. So if you are looking for something a little bit to take you to the next level, or you've never taken DMHA before, the Killer Labz First Degree Pre-Workout is definitely one thing that we'd recommend for you. So that was a lot. If you have questions about these products, just post it down below. John and I are always here to answer those questions for you. If you enjoyed this video, please just click that little thumbs up down there. And if you want more video reviews and be notified of them, just hit that subscribe button. This is Jordan and Jeff from Best Price Nutrition. Thanks for watching, guys.